Today we will do assignment problem in minimum cost. Assignment problem is solved in 3 steps. First, row reduction. Second, column reduction. Third, make assignment. Here you see a question. Our first step in solution is row reduction. So we have to select minimum number from each row. Line like this are row, line like this are column. All these are row and all these are column. Our first step is row reduction. So we have to select minimum number from each row. In first row, minimum number is 10. So we subtract 10 from each number of this row. In second row, minimum number is 11. So we select it. In third row, minimum number is 10, so we select it. In fourth row, 11 is minimum number, so we select it. Now, we subtract minimum number from their respective row numbers. Like in this row, 10 is minimum number, so we subtract 10. 10 minus 10, 12 minus 10, 13 minus 10, 15 minus 10. Here, 11 is minimum number. 14 minus 11, 11 minus 11, 15 minus 11, 12 minus 11. Now we write here. In first, 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, 2. 13 minus 10, 3. 15 minus 10, 5. Here 14 minus 11, 3, 11 minus 11, 0, 15 minus 11, 4, 12 minus 11 is 1. Here 16 minus 10 because 10 is minimum number in this row. 16 minus 10, 6, 20 minus 10, 10, 10 minus 10, 0, 17 minus 10, 7. Here 11 is subtract from all these number because 11 is minimum number in this row. 15 minus 11, 13 minus 11, 11 minus 11, 16 minus 11. So our row reduction is complete. Next step is column reduction. Column reduction. Now we have to select minimum number from each column in row reduction. We have to select minimum number from each column in row reduction. Like in this column, 0 is minimum number, so we select it. In second column, 0 is minimum number, so we select it. Here, in this column, 0 is minimum number, so we select it. Here, 1 is minimum number, so we select it. Now, we subtract all these selected number from their respective column numbers. Like 0 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 6 minus 0, 4 minus 0. Same because 0 is minimum number in this column. Here 1 is minimum number. So we subtract 1 from each number of this column. 5 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 5 minus 1. Here we write 0 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 6 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 2 minus 0 because 0 is minimum number in this column. 0 minus 0, 10 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. 5 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 5 minus 1. Now our column reduction is complete. Next step is make assignment. So we copy same table in assignment. Make assignment here. Here we copy same table of column reduction. Like 0, 3, 6, 4, 2, 0, 10, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 4, 0, 6, 4. We copy same table of column reduction in make assignment. Now here is the rule. Always make assignment to 0. Always make or mark assignment to 0. First we have to move row wise, then column wise. Secondly, column wise. Here, first we move row wise. Row wise, there is 1 0. So we make it assignment and the respective zeros are cut, but there is no respective zero. So we move toward column. Row wise, column wise. Move toward next column. Here is 1 0. So we make it assignment. The respective zeros are cut. Their respective zeros are cut. Here there is no 0. Here respective this 0 is cut. Move column wise. Now we move row wise. Here is again a 0. So we make it assignment. The respective zeros are cut. Here respective zeros are cut. Now you see that J4 does not get any assignment. J1 get assignment here, J2 get assignment here, J3 get assignment here, but J4 does not get any assignment. So we have to make or reconstruct this table. Now the column or row, the row which does not get any assignment, we mark it and their respective column are also marked. This row does not get any assignment, so we mark it, and here this 0 is cut, so the respective column are cut, and in this column if any 0 get any assignment, then we mark that row. Here in this column, if any 0 is assigned, that row are marked. This 0 is assigned, so this row is marked. Now cut unmarked row, unmarked row cut, and cut marked column. Here unmarked row, this is unmarked row and this is unmarked row, so we cut it. Cut unmarked row and cut marked column. Here marked column is this, so we cut it. Now our next step is to select minimum number from those number which does not get any cut. Here you see some numbers are not cut, like 6, 10, 4, 2, 6, 4. 6, 10, 6, 4, 2, 4. These numbers are not cut. Some are single cut. Single cut like the number on which there is only a single line, like 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 40. These numbers are single cut or single line. Some are double cut. Double cut like here 3. 3 is double cut. Here 4 is double cut. Okay. Now after it, our next step is to select the minimum number from those numbers which are not cut. Not cut numbers are 6, 10, 4, 2, 6, 4. These numbers are not cut. So we select minimum number from these number. That is 2. Least or minimum number is equal to 2. Here. Not cut number, we have to subtract minimum number from not cut numbers, and single cut number are right same, and double cut numbers are plus minimum number in double cut number. You can easily understand this concept in here, in new table. Here we reconstruct this table. 0. 0 is single cut. Single cut, right same. 2. Single cut, we write same. 3. Double cut. Double cut, so we add minimum number. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4. Single cut, same. 3. Single cut, so we write same. 0. Single cut, we write same. 4. Double cut, so we add minimum number. Add minimum number, that is 2. Here 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 0. Single cut, same. 6. Not cut, so we subtract minimum number. That is 6 minus 2. 10. Not cut, subtract. 10 minus 2, 8. 0. Single cut, right same. 6. Not cut, subtract, minus. 6 minus 2, 4. 4. Not cut, subtract minimum number. 4 minus 2, 2. 2. Not cut, subtract minimum number. That is 2 minus 2, 0. 0. Single cut, same. 4. Not cut number, subtract minimum number. That is 2. Now our table is done. Now we can construct a new table. Now we make assignment. Same rule. Always make assignment to 0. First we move row wise, then column wise. Now we start. First we move row wise. So we make assignment to it. Their respective zeros are cut. Then we move towards column wise. Here there is 2 zeros, so we cannot make assignment to them. Here we move toward another column. There is again 2 zeros, so we cannot make assignment to them. Move toward another column. Here is 1 0, so we make it assignment. Their respective zeros are cut. Again move row wise. Here in this row there is only 1 0, so we mark and make assignment to it. Their respective zeros are cut. Then move towards column wise. Now you can see that everyone, here you see J1 assign or is equal to M1. J1 get M1, J2 get M4, J3 get M3 and J4 get M2 like this. Here, here, here. So we write here. Now we write its value. Its value is given in quotient, like J1 is equal to M1. J1 is equal to M1. J1 is equal to M1, 10. So we write 10. J2, M4, J3, M3. 4 or 3. Now J2, M4, 12, and J3, M3, and J4, M2, M2. 12, 10 and 13. Now we write here 12, 10 and 13. Now we add all this number. 45 is our answer. Here it is